Hey, that the girl you're talking about?
Yeah.
Dude, she's hot.
I know.
Alright, good, I guess I'll come to you. Greg. Greg. Man, that was some hit to the head.
My head hurts. Oh, it's back to the game.
Oh, how cute, he wants to play. I wouldn't mind seeing him in a tight pair of shorts. That's sweet, hun, but you should really leave the rough sport to the big girls. Plus, you gotta get all sexy for our date tonight.
Come on, dude. Let's get you some ice.
See you at 7.
Dude, what happened to you?
Got hit in the head with a football at the girls' game.
What happened back there? Why did you guys stop playing?
Guys playing football? Man, how hard did that ball hit you?
Yeah, man. Guys don't really play football unless it's for fun. It's more of a girls' game.
Would you guys know me? I'm really good.
Yeah, maybe for a guy, but if you're playing with girls, you'd suck.
Oh, you should have let him play.
Psych, guys belong on the sidelines cheering for us.
Only 2 places guys belong. On the side and in the kitchen. So you ready for your date with Greg tonight?
I guess. I mean, the dude's hot.
So you think anything's gonna happen tonight?
All I gotta do is tell him all that crap he wants to hear, like, your eyes are like the sea, you're not like any guy I know. And then, like, I got him right where I want him.
You about to leave?
I'm gonna sleep till about 6:30. I'm gonna pick him up about 7. God, gotta love being a girl. It takes like 10 minutes to get ready.
Alright, play. Catch you later.
On to more important things. What are you wearing on your date with Jasmine?
OMG, I don't know. My hair's a mess. I don't know what shoes to wear. Do you think I look good in purple?
Remember, don't do anything on the first night. No matter how many times she says your eyes are beautiful.
Yeah, man. Don't be a slut. Alright, we have 3 hours to make you gorgeous.
Hey, Jazz.
Hey, you ready to go?
Yeah. Hey, bye, guys.
Bye! Remember, she takes you to a Mexican restaurant. Don't eat anything spicy because it gives you diarrhea.
He's joking.
You want to just...
Yeah.
Look nice.
Thank you. Why, thank you. You're such a gentlewoman. So where are we going?
Well... Alright, let's do this. Wow, we suck. Okay, you're up.
Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed.
Dude, you should be. That's what you get for trying to holler at the girls on the side.
I thought girls played football and guys were on the side.
Girls playing football?
Yeah, right. They wouldn't want to break it now.
Yeah, you're right. What was I thinking?
Oh, don't forget, you still got your date with that hottie, Jasmine.
Well, it's about 5 now. I gotta pick her up at 7. So I'll take a nap till around 6:30. Gotta love being a dude. Only takes 10 minutes to get ready.
For sure. Later, bro.
Later.
Where is that? It's somewhere. It's supposed to be that right there.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This is so exciting. I hate you.
Oh, wow.
I was gonna say you want this.